भी जहाँ माता कह के बुलाते हैं। इतना आदर इंसान तो क्या पत्थर भी पूजे जाते हैं।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। असली नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
वही रांझे मेरे वही वही सेवैया वही।
मरके कैसे जीते हैं सरफरोश है, जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे। आसमां तिरंगा सजाना आज है पल ये कहना चाहिए मेरा हूँ।
जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी। जब घायल हुआ
हिमालय, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जान भी देंगे। ऐ वतन
चाहिए मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
ऐ मेरी ज़मीन अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सही। महफूज रहे तेरी याद सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे।
मेरा करमा है तू, मेरा धर्मा है तू। तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू।
जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, हम जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं तो वैसे तो दिल दुश्मन के।
जब जब मुझ पे उठा सवार, मैं तेरी चूनरिया लहराए।
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। आज पुरानी जंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं, यादें के उस मंजिल को जो छोड़ चुके हैं। चांद के दर पे जा पहुंचा है आज जमाना, नई जगत से हम भी नाता जोड़ चुके हैं।
नया खून है, नई उमंगे, अब है नई जवानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।
Good morning, everyone. Wish you all the warmth of 75th Independence Day of our country. I am really honored to be with you all on this day of great joy and happiness. First of all, I congratulate all the participants and the winners of the virtual patriotic song competition. All the entries were so sweet and melodious, and so it was really a Herculean task for me to judge your performances. But it's done. Thank you, dear Reverend Father C.B. Joseph, the principal, Ma'am Nidhi and the team. And I am glad to be a part of this great virtual event. I just wish to sing 2 lines for you, though I am not a professional singer. Thank you. तेरे सर पे नीला गगन है, सौंधी माटी है, तेरे कांधे हरियाली चोरर सरसराती है। ये नदियाँ तेरा गहना है, सागर का दर्पण है, तेरे दिल में करुणा मेघ है, आँखों में सावन है, तेरी सांसें बस प्रेम के किस्से सुनाती है। तेरे इश्क में डूबे हैं हम, तू अपनी माटी है, तू अपनी माटी है, तू अपनी माटी है।
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear students. It is indeed my honor and pleasure to be a part of this event. Pandemic has not paralyzed us in any way, and we have converted it into an opportunity, especially students. All the students who had given their presentation are remarkable singers. Keep up the good work and keep singing, because music conquers every heart. This song for all of you. वतन की रूह को आजाद रखना, इसे ताउम्र तुम आबाद रखना। वतन की रूह को आजाद रखना, इसे ताउम्र तुम आबाद रखना। सजाना इसके आंचल पर सितारे, नजर में जब्त हो दिलकश नजारे, कोई भी शय न हो इसके मुकाबिल, कि तुम जन्नत भी इसके बाद रखना।
Good morning, dear parents, teachers, members of the staff, and my dear students. First of all, I would like to greet each one of you on the occasion of the 75th Independence Day. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. During this pandemic, the students are not able to celebrate the Independence Day in the school campus. Every year, we used to have beautiful celebration in the school campus when the children were here in the school. But this year, it is not possible because of the pandemic. And so, we thought of celebrating the Independence Day in the virtual platform. And we have decided to celebrate it more meaningfully. And we organized a patriotic singing competition for all our students. And it was a great success. Around 300 students participated in the first level of audition in the patriotic singing competition, and above 90 students came into the final round. I would like to appreciate and congratulate all the students who came in the virtual platform and participated in the patriotic singing competition. Congratulations, dear students, and my love and appreciation to each and every one of you. On this occasion, I would also like to thank the teachers and the non-teaching staff who took pain in organizing this great event. They have taken hours and hours to make this event more meaningful one. I would like to thank all the judges who were part of this great event. From the high school to the lower standard, there were many judges who were the jury members of judging the students in the patriotic singing competition. I would like to thank Mr. Raman Pillai, Sister Deepa, Mr. E.D. Ashish and Yekata Pandey, Mr. Shaji Varghese and Mrs. Purnima Francis, and Mr. Varun and Mrs. Shirin Phillips for their contribution in judging the students meticulously for this patriotic singing competition. I request the parents to watch the Facebook page of St. Aloysius School and also see the winners of patriotic singing competition. We will be uploading it today, and you can watch in our Facebook page all the winners of the patriotic singing competition. Once again, I wish all the very best to each one of you. Wish you a happy Independence Day. May God be with you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Gratitude is not in words but in heart which expresses it. A very good morning to all. It is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School, Kant, on this memorable occasion. Our sincere thanks to our esteemed panel of judges, especially Sister Deepa, Principal St. Aloysius God, and Sir Raman Pillai from St. Aloysius Polypatha for giving their precious time from their busy schedule. I would take the opportunity to thank our principal, Reverend Father Sibi Joseph, who continue to inspire us by providing the platform to showcase our talent. Behind every successful program lies the manifold effort of a committed faculty. I owe a special gratitude to all our teachers for their valuable guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. At last, I would also like to thank all our participants for their display of impressive singing talent. I would like to conclude by quoting, "Let freedom be in mind, faith in word, and pride in our soul." Happy Independence Day and thank you all.
Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He.